So every month I get paid for multiple different affiliate marketing programs. So here's one right here, one of my favorites from a software called ClickFunnels that I've been promoting for some years now. And then here's another from an email auto-responding software that I use, one of my favorites, and it's called Aweber. And here is also another affiliate marketing program that I've partnered with that has generated me almost $9,000 so far. Now, this is going to be an entirely free course on how you can start an affiliate marketing business using artificial intelligence and AI software. Now, I've been doing affiliate marketing since August of 2019, and I can tell you that affiliate marketing has never been easier because of AI softwares like ChatGPT and artificial intelligence. Now, throughout this video, I'm just going to show you a few simple steps that will allow you to start your affiliate marketing business by the end of this video. Now, more importantly, if you stick to the end, I'm going to show you how you can steal my affiliate marketing business with just a click of a button. So let's get into it. And by the way, I got some great news. I'm going to be doing a free course giveaway for anyone who can find the special hitting emoji inside this video. All you have to do is follow these 3 steps. Step 1 is find the emoji. Step 2 is like this video. Step 3 is when you find that special emoji, comment the emoji below in the comments, and also comment what you learned in this video. Then I'm going to choose a winner to win an entirely free course that you can have instant access to. Now, real quick, I want to show you how affiliate marketing works, which is what enabled me to never have to work again, be with my family, and make infinite passive income. So basically what affiliate marketing is, you're going to promote a product that you don't own. So all you would have to do is first, you're going to have to send traffic to that product, and you can do that organically with TikTok or YouTube or Instagram using your social media profile. And then you're going to send that traffic to that product that you don't own. And this could be something anywhere from Amazon. You could promote products on Amazon, websites that you may have heard of like ClickBank. And then you can also promote software products. An example of a software product could be a tool or a software that the customer may need in order to run their business or to solve a problem that they're having. What's going to happen when you join these affiliate marketing programs, you're going to get your own affiliate link. And when you send this traffic to your affiliate marketing product that you don't own, and they click on that link to get to that product, you're going to get paid a commission through one of those companies or all of those companies that you promote. Now, the cool thing about affiliate marketing is you don't actually have to make the product that you're promoting, nor do you have to ship and fill the order of the product once the customer makes the purchase using your link. All those things are handled by the affiliate marketing program that you chose to get your affiliate link from. You don't even have to worry about the refunds or exchanges the customer may have or deal with customer service or support. To give you a clear example, let's say that you're on YouTube and you're searching for the best camera for a beginner photographer, and you find the video, and we just click this one right here, and you go to watch this guy's video up here, and you watch the video and you really like it, and the camera looks like it would be perfect for you. So you could go into this guy's YouTube description, search for that camera, and right here he has all his affiliate links for the camera, the video camera, a little camera, the lenses and everything. And you pick the actual product that he describes in the video, and it takes you to his Amazon page where you could purchase that camera for that price. And then when you purchase that camera, this person in the YouTube video gets a commission. Now, all right, step 1, we're going to be going to an affiliate marketplace like clickbank.com. Now, ClickBank is one of the largest affiliate networks on the internet right now. So basically what ClickBank is, it's a network of tons and tons of affiliate programs and affiliate products that you can promote. And with ClickBank, it's super easy and free to get started and create your account. All you would have to do is go to clickbank.com, and right here, just click the Start Here button, go through the process of creating your account, and then boom, you're ready. Now, once you create your free ClickBank account, you're going to have access to their whole entire affiliate marketing marketplace. And as you can see on the inside, they've already got all this categorized from different offers. But if you see here, they got tons of different niches, product that you can take a look at and browse to see which one is most perfect for you. But my suggestion, when you first log in, I would go to top offers right here, click that button. Now, when you go to top offers, you're going to get access to all the top performing affiliate affiliate marketing programs right now. As you can say, if we look at this particular one right here, you're going to get the gravity score. This just tells you all the people that have made money with this affiliate program this month. And they're also going to tell you the initial amount of money you can make and their conversions. And in this case, you can make up to $148, almost $149 per sale. And it also tells you that this particular affiliate marketing program has recurring commissions each and every single month. So what that means is you could potentially make up to $14.23 each and every single month by promoting this affiliate marketing offer. Now, one last thing I want to show you about these affiliate marketing products, and in this case in particular, is the affiliate page. Now, typically when you decide to join an affiliate product or affiliate program, they will give you access to all their affiliate resources. So if I click this link right here, what it's going to do is going to take me to the affiliate marketing resource page for their affiliate. Now, I want you to understand, these companies want you to promote their products and they want you to be successful while doing it. So they're going to give you tons of resources to help you in the process. And in this case in particular, they're going to give you video, ad, creative materials, and all sorts of things that you can use in your marketing strategy. So I've already clicked over to the next page, and here they're giving you thumbnails, they're giving you finished ads, they're giving you image ads, they're giving you raw materials, and even short loop ads. So if you wanted to run ads to promote your affiliate marketing program using this affiliate marketing product as your offer, they're giving you all the ads, all the videos, all the images, everything you need to go on social media and promote their product. With that being said, when you're choosing any affiliate marketing product, program, or offer, always be sure, if they have one, to check out their affiliate assets page. That's going to help you be more successful and save you a lot of time in your affiliate marketing strategy. All right, so now the next step, which is step number 2, we're going to go to Vizsla.us. Now, Vizsla is one of the softwares that we're going to be using to create content using ChatGPT and artificial intelligence. So make sure that you go to Vizsla.us and create your free account. I'll leave the link down in the description of this video. Now, after you create your account with Vizsla, we're going to connect this to ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how this works. It's super cool and easy. Now, once you create your Vizsla account, the next step you're going to want to do is go to ChatGPT. In order to do this, you're going to need to have ChatGPT 4. So make sure you upgrade. Now, once you do that, what we're going to have to do next is enable plugins. Now, in order to enable the plugins, you're going to want to go down to the bottom left-hand screen, and you're going to click the 3 dots, and you're going to go to settings and beta. And after you do that, you want to go to beta features, and you want to turn on plugins. Now, once you turn that on, you're going to go back to ChatGPT, and you're going to go to plugins and beta. And at the top where it says no plugins enabled, we're going to want to go to the plugin store. And once you get to the plugin store, what we're going to have to do is look for Vizsla. So we're going to key in Vizsala, and as you can see, it's right there, and we're going to click install. Now, installing Vizsla to ChatGPT, what's happening is this plugin is connecting to ChatGPT. And as you can see right here now at the top, the Vizsla symbol is there, which means we're all connected. So now that we have Vizsla connected to ChatGPT, the next step, what we're going to do is ask ChatGPT to create a visual presentation of our affiliate product. And it's literally going to do it all for us using artificial intelligence. Now, before we ask ChatGPT to do that, what we're going to do is go back to ClickBank. And remember, we're going to just be using LivePure as an example for educational purposes of this video as our affiliate marketing product or opportunity. Now, the best thing you want to do is get more information about this product so that you know what to ask ChatGPT specifically. LivePure is basically a health product. So what you want to do, if you don't know much about LivePure, you want to click that link, and this link right here will take you to their sales page. Now, keep in mind, if you choose to promote a product like this in your affiliate marketing strategy, this is going to be the sales page where your link will redirect all your potential customers to. So they're going to be seeing this page. So basically, if I quick scan this page, I see that they help people struggling with low energy and stubborn belly fat. So now that I have that info based off what this product is about, I'm able to go back to ChatGPT, and basically what I asked it is create a visual presentation showing the top 10 ways to lose belly fat in 2023. And as you can see, it's already printing it out or generating the prompt right in front of our eye. Now, as you can see, it created a script and everything for the video. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff. All I want you to do is scroll down to where you see the Vissla white button. And as you can see, it says great. The video presentation on the top 10 ways to lose belly fat in 2023 has been successfully created. And they even have the watch the video here link. So we're going to click that. Now, keep in mind, none of this is going to work unless you connect the plugin Vissla to your ChatGPT. So if you're struggling right now in this video, it's because you probably skipped or had something wrong with that step. But once you do, everything is going to happen just the way it happens in this video. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT and Vissla has created an entire video for our affiliate product from scratch. It even has a script and everything over here to the left. So let's check it out.
In 2023, health and fitness have taken center stage. If you're looking to shed that stubborn belly fat, you're in the right place.
Now, as you can see, ChatGPT just created an entire affiliate marketing video from scratch. So the cool thing about that is if you don't like the video or you want to make some changes, all you would have to do is just go back into ChatGPT and you can make some changes. Give me 5 ways instead of 10 ways. You can make the video 5 minutes longer, 10 minutes longer, whatever you want. You can even go back into Vissla and make those changes as well. For example, if you went back into Vissla, all you would have to do is just click the save and edit button. And when you click that, you can add some cool stock photos that come with the software, add your own stock photos. You can shorten the video. You can add special sounds and a lot of cool features and cool things you can do within the software itself. But keep in mind, you don't have to do any of that. If the video is fine, you want to use it as is, you're welcome to do that. And if you're happy with the video, all you would have to do is click save and edit, and it's going to ask you for that claim code. Now, to get that claim code, all you would have to do is just go back to ChatGPT. And as you can see right here, it says the claim code right here. You would just copy that and then go back to Vissla and just paste that code right here in the bar. And then all you would have to do is click save video. After you put in that claim code, here is where you can make any of the edits if you wanted to do that. But if you're happy, like I said, all you would have to do is click export in the top right hand corner and you could just regenerate this video with free stock. Now, I will say they do have a premium account. So if you want to use all their premium stock videos and stock images, you would have to upgrade to the premium account. So now that we have our video downloaded, what we could do now is use YouTube as a platform to get people to watch our video, then go down and click our link so we can make some money. Now, just to give you some perspective of how this thing works, YouTube is one of the platforms where a lot of people, just like you and me, go there to find solutions to their problems. In this case, we're using an affiliate product that is teaching or will help people to lose belly fat. So if I go up here to the YouTube search bar and I key in how to lose belly fat, you'll see that all these different suggestions and recommendations are popping up because this is what people are searching for on YouTube, just even this platform, which is also connected to Google. So we have how to lose belly fat, how to lose it in 1 week, how to lose it fast, how to lose it with exercises in 1 day, without exercises, and many, many more. So now that we have our video and we see this right here, all we're going to do is go to our YouTube account, and in the top right hand corner, you're going to click the icon with the video and the plus sign, and it's going to bring up a menu and you're going to click on upload video. Once you click that, it's going to bring up this window where you can upload your video. You can either click the button that says select files and find the video in your computer, or you could just drag and drop it if you already have it up like so and just drop it into that menu. And once you do that, YouTube is going to prompt you to start editing your video. So we're going to start with the title. So we already have it based off the video itself. It had top 10 ways to lose belly fat in 2023. But because we just went to YouTube and we saw the search engine keywords there, we're going to just add in top 10 ways on how to lose belly fat in 2023. So now that we have our title and we know it's SEO optimized, we're going to go into the description and make sure that people know where to find our link. We got to make sure we make it easy for them. So as you can see right here, I just put in a call to action. Here is the best way to lose belly fat. And what we're going to do, we're just going to go back to ClickBank and we're going to get our affiliate link. So what you would do is click on the button that says promote, and you got to make sure that you have your tracking ID. In this case, mine is called Dad Starts. And then you're going to click on the button that says create hop link. Now, once you do that, it's going to automatically generate our affiliate link. So all you would have to do is just highlight that and copy, come back to YouTube, and we're going to paste it right up under our call to action. We want to make sure that we get our affiliate link. So now after watching this video, they're going to click our link. And when they go and watch that video on the sales page, if they make a purchase, we're going to get a commission. So now that we have have that. What we do want to make sure is that we want our video to rank high on YouTube, which means when they do search for this keyword term, how to lose belly fat, we want to be at the top of the pile. And the best and easiest way to do that is to make sure that you optimize your YouTube description. So what we're going to do, now that we already have our keyword, we're just going to take this keyword, how to lose belly fat in 2023, and we're going to go back to ChatGPT. And all I've already done is ask ChatGPT, can you write an SEO description for the keywords, how to lose belly fat in 2023? I'm going to click generate. After you click generate, as you can see, ChatGPT once again delivered. It already has created a nice YouTube description that is SEO optimized. So all we would have to do now is just copy this YouTube description and go back to YouTube. And all we would have to do now is just paste it right up under our link in the YouTube description, and boom, we are ready to go. So now that we have our SEO optimized title and description, what we're going to do, we're just going to go down and check some things. Now, I will say you want to, of course, have a nice thumbnail for your YouTube video. They do offer some suggestions, YouTube does, that you can pick to use as your thumbnail. I recommend you creating your own, and you can use a free tool like Canva. Create you a nice thumbnail that will resonate with the people who are searching for this topic on how to lose belly fat. Now, once you have your thumbnail, the last thing we're going to want to do, if you scroll down, we're going to want to add some tags. Now, I've already have some built-in tags into this right here, but what you would have to do is just create your tags for that video based off your niche. But you don't have to figure that out either. All you got to do is just go back to ChatGPT. So going back to ChatGPT, all I did is put in the prompt, give me YouTube tags for this video by comma. And as you can see, it certainly did. All we got to do now is just copy those tags. We'll go back to YouTube, go back to the text option down below. I'm going to right click and we're going to click paste. And as you can see, boom, they all popped up. Once you're done with your tags, all you're going to have to do is now just scroll down. You're going to click that blue next button, and you're just going to keep nexting out till you get to the end right here. And you can schedule it if you want, or you can post it right now, however you want, and then click publish down here to the bottom right, and you are good to go. After that, the only thing you're going to want to do now is continually making videos, grow your YouTube channel, because YouTube is going to be one of your most important assets in affiliate marketing. Another important asset, which is probably the most important asset in affiliate marketing, is your email list. Now, I didn't talk about that in this video, but if you would like to learn how to grow and build your own email list and copy or steal my affiliate marketing business, check out the links in this video down below and get started. And by the way, don't forget, I'm going to be giving away a free course to the lucky winner who watched this video and found that special hidden emoji. Make sure you comment that emoji down in the YouTube comments, and I'm going to give away that free course to that person. But until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success.